Yes, these books, they form the basis of our spiritual understanding. They form the basis of our spiritual education. They form the basis for our progress on the path of Krishna consciousness. And they actually form the basis of the whole of our movement. Because before Srila Prabhupada went west, he went to America, he made sure he had something in his hand. And that was the first canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam. And based on that first canto of the Srimad Bhagavatam, he was able to establish the whole organization, ISKCON. So individually, our spiritual progress depends on the knowledge from these books. So individually, these books are the basis for our spiritual progress. Chanakya Pandit says, knowledge is a friend of that person who is on a journey. Knowledge is a friend to a person on a journey. We are all spiritual seekers. We are all on the path of bhakti. We are on the journey of bhakti, bhakti Godhead. And therefore, this knowledge is required. And Srila Prabhupada has provided the basis of this knowledge by translating these Vedic scriptures and giving his Bhakti Vedanta purports. Now, for the movement to grow, this knowledge is required. And even for the movement to sustain itself, this knowledge plays a role. So on the individual basis, we need this knowledge to grow. And for the expansion of the movement, this knowledge is required. And we can see how many scholars, professors, institutions, universities, they are taking shelter of this knowledge. So any progress we are making in Krishna consciousness is all based on these books that Srila Prabhupada has given us. So for us to progress, we must therefore take these books very, very seriously. If we really want to make progress in Krishna consciousness, we must accept these books of Srila Prabhupada as the guiding material for our progress. So that is my understanding that the books are the basis.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.